let's call them that. I mean, they spend hours looking for the most obscure thing, pinching bits of this, pinching bits of that. It's stealing. You can't steal off anybody. Just because they're rich. It's not right. You know, that's Robin Hood. And you ain't Robin Hood, mate. Sit in your bedroom.
No. It's the Swedish Mason.
I don't care. Bloody hooligan.
There's a cease and desist on the way.
Hunt.
Drum roll, please.
It's quite easy to take samples, take samples,
Any sort of samples or anything.
and basically make up a whole track.
Pinching bits of this, pinching bits of that.
I can now mess around with it, take out the bits that I don't want, revise the whole thing if I wanted to.
Mason's charm.
Dixie's style.
Submit to the Mason. Submit to the Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason, Mason, submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason's charm. Submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason, Mason, submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason's charm. Submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason, Mason, submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason's charm. Submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason, Mason, submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason's charm. Submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason, Mason, submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason's charm. Submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason, Mason, submit to the Mason's Mason, the Mason, submit to the Mason's charm.
Who knows, Robin? This strange mixing may be the greatest single service ever performed.
It's a novelty, and somebody will like it.
Yeah.
Let's go. But inconspicuously. Through the window, we'll use our bat ropes. Our job is finished.
There's a cease and desist on the way.
Calm down, Morse.